What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. The most liked comment on a previous video of Manta roller coaster at SeaWorld comes from Coasterhead. He says, what a great coaster. Only flying coaster I have ridden, but man, it was fun. I completely agree. It's such a fun coaster and I can understand why some people may or may not like this style of coaster, but it is really fun to have in addition to all the other coasters that SeaWorld Orlando already has. If you're new here, the most liked comment on this video gets featured on our next. Thanks so much for watching our video of the Barnstormer at Disney's Magic Kingdom. To be honest, while recording this video, it was my first time actually riding the Barnstormer and it was a little bit more than I was expecting. If you want to be featured on this channel in the future, send us a video of you saying thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie and we'll put you at the outro of one of our videos. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and as always,
thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.